Well, today there was a unique event held by the American Visionary Art Museum. It's called the annual Kinetic Sculpture Race. 29 teams signed up to participate, and they designed rides following the theme of play. Teams travel through 15 miles of downtown Baltimore streets, mud, and sand pits at Patterson Park and the Inner Harbor, competing for various prizes.
It's old and young, it's school kids, it's people who've been doing it. There was a gentleman here last year who'd been doing it for the entire 25 years. So I think it just shows you how much the American Visionary Art Museum is a part of the community.
The prizes available are the ACE Award, Best Pit Crew, People's Choice, Sock Creature of the Universe, I love these names, and Spirit of the Glorious Founder. The highest honor, though, is the Grand Mediocre Champion, and that's awarded to the team that finishes exactly in the middle of the pack.